Hi dear students, in this video we are going to study about equation of a line, point, slope form, and this is the 10th lesson of the chapter 3. And here is the formula and the explanation of it. The theorem is the equation of a line which passes through the point ax1 and y1 with slope m. So here two variables is given, one of them is coordinate and the other one is slope. In this condition, the formula is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus n. x1, x minus x1 gives us the formula of the equation or equation of the line it is giving to us. And here is the explanation for this one. Here x1 and y1 is one constant point. It is fixed point here. And imagine that we are changing the place of x and y. If I choose the x and y here, the slope it's not going to, the slope it's not going to change because since the alpha is not changing, tangent alpha is not going to change. That's why here you can choose the x value here or here or here. Whatever you choose, the tangent alpha it's not going to change. With respect to this one, the slope it's not going to change. So if the slope is not changing on the line, because if you choose another point, here the slope it's going to change. With respect to this fixed point we are talking, slope it's going to change and the equation it's going to change. That's why these are like collinear points on the same line, the slopes should be same, and here it gives the equation of the line which are collinear. And what is the formula for that one? Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Here y and x values are general values, y1 and x1 the coordinates of the given point. Here let's continue with the question. Here write down the equation of the line passing through the points minus 1, 2 and m is equal to 3, which means that here this one x1 and y1 in the formula it's going to be, and this is the m already written that one. So y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. If we write, then if we write the values of y1 and x1 in the slope, y minus 2 is equal to m times, which is equal to given 3 times x minus. Here minus 1 it has to be because the formula with minus. So then y minus 2 is equal to 3 times x plus 1 it has to be. Then y minus 2 is equal to 3x plus 3. It should be 3x plus 3 it should be. Then we can collect all the terms to one side and we will get the form ax plus by is equal to c, or y is equal to 3x plus 5. Also equation of the line it might be for us, or we can write like this. Generally it's written in this form: 3x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0. This is another way to show the equation of the line, and this is more common way to show the equation of the line. Okay, let's continue with the other question. Find the equation of the line with the inclination 45. So m is equal to tangent alpha should be, which is alpha here. Alpha is equal to 45 degree, and the other one k point passes through the point, which means that x1 and y1 points these are. So tangent alpha it should be, I started with that one, m is equal to tangent alpha, and the k is equal to x1 and y1. So tangent 45, let's start with tangent 45 it has to be, and tangent 45 is equal to, we know that from the previous lesson, it's equal to 1. So the slope is m is equal to 1. And y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1 was the formula, which is y minus 3 is equal to 1 times x minus x1 is equal to 0, which is y plus 3 is equal to 1 times x, And if we get all the terms to one side, 0 is equal to x minus y minus 3, or x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0, we can say. Okay, the next one here, find the equation of the line which is parallel to line joining with the k points minus 1, minus 4. Here, minus 1, minus 4, and minus 5, minus 10. So we are going to find the, if I draw the figure, it should be something like this. We are looking for the line D here, and we are going to find the ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 here. And this is the line, but we have one parallel line segment here, which is K and L, and here this line segment is parallel to our line, which means that the K and L here, when the lines are parallel, or line segment and this line is parallel, it means that the slopes, they should be equal to each other. So here, the slope of the MD, it should be equal to MKL. KL it should be. Let's find first the slope of KL, which is minus y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 it should be. Here, of course, we should be careful here. This is x1 and y1 when we name. This is not the coordinate on the line, and this is x2 and y2. This is for the slope of line we were using from the slope of line formula, which is equal to here minus 10 minus minus 4 divided by minus 5 minus 1 it has to be, which is equal to 10 plus minus 10 plus 4 divided by minus 5 plus 1, which is equal to minus 6 over minus 4, which is equal to minus 3 over 2. So the slope is 3 over 2. Slope is 3 over 2 because MD here, it should be equal to 3 over 2. And the second part here, we should find the for the formula x1 and y1 values here. X1 and y1 values which are on the line, it is given with this sentence here, the intercepts at the x-axis at 5. So the line is passing through the intercept at 5 means x-axis, so it is passing through 5, 0 also. So with respect to this information, we are going to do like this: y is equal to y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1, it has to be x minus x1. Then this is equal to y minus 0 is equal to 3 over 2 times x, it has to be, which is equal to here x1 is equal to 5, I'm sorry. Here it's going to be equal to y is equal to 3 over 2 times x minus 5, and for better values, you should send 2 to the other side, like 2y is equal to 3x minus 15. So you can get this one here. Minus 3x plus 2y is plus 15 is equal to 0, or 3x minus 2y minus 15 is equal to 0 will be the equation of line, or let's say here, because both of them the equation of the same line. Here only this one I multiplied by minus 1 and I got the same thing. Okay, this is the last one of this type of questions. Find the equation of the line perpendicular to point K 5 and minus 3, and perpendicular from the point K 5 minus 3 to the line with endpoints minus 1, 4 and 2 and 3. So I'm going to do something like this now. I'm going to draw the points A and B here, A and B. These are points A and B, and there is another point K here, and the line is passing through the K point, and this is the D line, and it is passing through the point K, and here the condition is they are perpendicular to each other, which means that here what was the condition for the perpendicularity? MD should be equal, MD times AB should be equal to -1. So here for AB, slope of AB is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. I'm going to use this formula, which is equal to 3 minus 4 divided by 2 minus -1. It's going to be 2 minus -1, it has to be, which is equal to -1 divided by 3. So MD is equal to, MD times, I made a mistake again, MD times -1 over 3, it should be equal to -1. Then this implies that MD is equal to 3 times -1 divided by -1, it should be, and MD is equal to, here as you see, it's going to be equal to 3. So we found the slope of D, and we have the point K on the slope, and we can use, since M is equal to 3 and the point is K 5 and -3, we can find this y minus y1 is equal to M times x minus x1 formula by using this formula. Y minus y1 is equal to -3 is equal to 3 times x minus 5, it has to be. Y plus 3 is equal to 3x minus 15, and you can get the terms to one side. 0 is equal to 3x minus y, minus 15 minus 3, it's going to be minus 18, it's going to be equal to, or 3x minus y minus 18 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the line. It's going to be